Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and organize meetings with Outlook? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Outlook. Click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now on the top left, simply go ahead and click on the calendar tab, and now this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on the option or click on a date, or right click on a date and click on new event. Now once you've clicked on new event, you can simply go ahead and add a title right over here. You can also go ahead and set a time, and then you can simply go ahead and set how many like what hour, 15 minutes before at the time of event or stuff like that. Simply go ahead and put your location right over here, whether it would be a Teams meet or just a random meet. So that is about it. Simply go ahead and put that in on your calendar, and then you can simply go ahead and share it with all the people you want to. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.